Let's be completely honest, finding perfect gear can be stressful, but this you love cool item stick changes everything. You won't believe what I stumbled upon today. I was a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that the design is pure genius, I was completely sold. It is shockingly good at what it does cause it simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need this in your life is because it makes your daily routine effortless. It's highly practical, compact, and packed with thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. This is your ultimate sign to upgrade while stocks last. Let's be completely honest, finding perfect gear can be stressful,